Who and whom confuse many English learners. Who is used for the subject that does the action? Whom is used for the object that receives the action? The big question is, how do you choose between who and whom when asking questions? Here is the basic rule: who equals subject. The subject does the action in a sentence. Whom equals object. The object receives the action. Who performs the action? Whom receives the action? Look at these examples. This is who warned me. Who is the subject doing the warning? Jack is the one who wants to go. Who is doing the wanting? With whom am I speaking? Whom receives the speaking action? To whom this may concern? Whom receives the concern? Use whom when it is the object of a verb or preposition. With whom am I speaking? Whom is the object of with? To whom did you give the letter? Whom receives the giving? She is the person whom I admire. Whom receives the admiring action? Here is an easy test for beginners. Step 1. Replace who or whom with he or she. Step 2. If he or she sounds right, use who. Step 3. If him or her sounds right, use whom. This he/she test always works. In relative clauses, who is still the subject? This is the woman who called you. Who did the calling? The man who drives the truck. Who does the driving? Whom is the object? The person whom I met. Whom receives meeting? The artist whom they admired. Whom receives admiring? When prepositions come before the pronoun, use whom. To whom did you write the letter? With whom are you going? This is the person with whom I spoke. My friend for whom I made a cake. Always use whom after prepositions at the beginning. Whom sounds formal and is common in writing. To whom did you send the invitation? In casual speech, people use who. Who did you send the invitation to? Both are understood, but whom is more correct in formal situations?
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.